A common problem. Water enters the building from the exterior wall. The cause of this is often a missing or faulty exterior waterproofing. The consequence? Moisture, in extreme cases even flowing water, penetrates the wall and enters the living space. This moisture transports destructive salts into the building and creates a moist, musty and unhealthy environment. To repair a defective exterior basement waterproofing, it would seem easiest to excavate the wall. This type of repair is often not viable because an excavation is either too expensive or laborious. The solution? An easy method and economical alternative is to work from the inside with a negative waterproofing. KOSTER NB1 Grey was developed to reliably waterproof mineral substrates like masonry and concrete, even from the negative side. It contains ingredients that react with the moisture in the wall as well as the components of the substrate to produce crystals that block the pores. KOSTER NB1 Grey penetrates into the substrate and so becomes an integral part of the wall that blocks water transmission while remaining open to vapor diffusion. KOSTER NB1 Grey will not detach from the substrate. The expected lifespan of the waterproofing is as long as the building itself. Old, moist plaster must be completely removed. The wall must be freed of loose particles and cleaned. In areas where flowing water can enter the building, or where water stands on or weeps down the wall, KOSTER KD2 Blitz powder is used to stop the active leakages and seal the wall. This one-of-a-kind, highly reactive powder reacts immediately with water. Active leakages can be stopped within seconds. Adhesion-reducing coatings on the floor, such as paints, have to be removed and smooth surfaces roughened to achieve an optimal adhesion to the mineral substrate. Absorptive or salt-contaminated substrates must be primed with KOSTER Polysil TG 500. It solidifies the masonry and locks in the salts. Using KOSTER Repair Mortar Plus, a rounded fillet is installed to protect the waterproofing in the wall-floor junction from damage. Holes and other surface defects are filled to provide a smooth and uniform substrate for the waterproofing. The mineral waterproofing slurry KOSTER NB1 Grey is mixed and applied with a brush or appropriate spraying equipment in 2 layers. It is important to apply the material evenly and to work it in all directions to fill all holes and to guarantee complete coverage. Each fresh layer is hardened by immediately spraying it with KOSTER Polysil TG 500. KOSTER Polysil TG 500 speeds the curing reaction of the slurry and improves the mechanical resilience of the coating. The mineral waterproofing slurry KOSTER NB1 Grey is tested to resist a water pressure of 13 bar, has drinking water certification, is resilient to chlorides and sulfides, self-heals micro cracks. Due to these characteristics, KOSTER NB1 Grey is a very versatile material and can be used, for example, in basements, shafts, tunnels, drinking water tanks and silos. You can find all the important information in the system brochure, Negative Side Waterproofing Systems for Masonry and Concrete. For further information, visit our website at www.koster.eu.